Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to link your debit card or credit card. It's a very simple procedure. All you need to do is make sure to watch the video right till the end. So here's the steps. First thing, you have to make sure that you already have a PayPal account. If you don't have it, so you want to create one. And once you're done verifying your email address, your ID, all that, now moving on, you have to add a credit card. Now, when you add a credit card or a debit card, it is also one way of verifying your identity. In some cases, PayPal does not ask you for linking some sort of government issued ID, but when you need to transact money, it's going to ask you to verify. So for the verification procedure, you could add a debit or credit card when the bank itself or the PayPal itself sends you a small to deposit amount, which you need to enter in as a OTP, some sort of thing like that. And then it's going to confirm that your account has been verified. Now to do this, you need to go to the Homes tab and tap on the menu bar from the top right and go to your wallet. Alright, then you have these add credit card section. Click that out. You could see a drop down menu at the bottom that says bank or debit or credit card. Since we are going with debit cards, you want to click on the following option. You could either go ahead and scan your card or enter the card detail info manually. You then need to tap on it. Then you have to go ahead and enter in the card number, expiry date, CVV, all that, and click on the link card options. And this way you'll be able to link your debit card or credit card on your PayPal account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.